everyone, welcome back to Jenspiration channel, and today's video is a mukbang challenge. So whatever I see in our refrigerator, so I see cucumber, red bell pepper, tomato, American accent tomato, and in British accent is tomato, carrot, so I already peeled it, I just leave it here. And then, so see this one, it's bitter, it's good, it's iron. So, and a banana. Oh, I have it here. It's a lunchtime, so I've tried something like this, but not spicy. I will try if I can bear the spiciness. So I put 2 eggs here. Let's try. I will start with this one. This is for appetizer. I also have very spicy sauce. Actually, it's the first time I eat raw ampalaya, but it's really nice. It's nice. I like it. It's really nice. I like it. Next is, I'll try this one. First time I tried to eat without slicing. Really nice. Like it. Okay. I try if I can swallow 1 whole egg. It's just easy to swallow or to eat 1 whole egg because it's soft. Whew. My auntie, are you really sure? Are you sure you can finish everything? And it's what we call mukbang challenge, because you will challenge yourself. I usually have fasting at least 16 hours. I don't eat in the morning. I just drink milk or coffee and water, and then I want to make sure that it's total at least 15 to 16 hours before I eat again. So I include my sleep. So that's if I eat, if my dinner is 7 p.m. I eat 12 noon the next day. So spicy. So I want to do fasting 5 days a week. So today I ate my breakfast, so just a little breakfast because I was really too hungry. So Monday to Friday I fast. So I have 2 eggs, so I have another one. Let's see. I will not eat dinner time. I will just have coffee. It's a once a day mukbang. So that means once a day eating. Mm. Mm. I like this one. This is called ampalaya. Mmm. Mmm. Carrot. Mmm. 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 Tomato. Mmm. 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 Spicy. So spicy. Last one. There's another one. Thank you for watching, guys. I can't do it. More.
Para sa susunod na mukbang, I need your suggestions. So just comment down below para ma-prepare natin. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you later!